Welcome in, my guest. I am Rain, and today in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, I, a relatively baby victim, will attempt to survive some matches. Let us see if I can somehow manage to escape, or end up as barbecue. So strap in, or do not. I am not your father. It's showtime. Let's break free. Like in High School Musical. High School Musical is peak.
Yeah!
High School Musical is peak, and I am not listening to anyone.
Yeah!
You cannot change my mind. El Gran Papi already was awakened. Oh, and we have a leather face. I'm not good with this. I'm scared. Okay, I'll grab one of these, just in case. It truly is just in case for me. I don't know when to use it. I am back with the backstabs. Sometimes I manage. But I'm not too good with it. I think... Oh, never mind. I thought there was a... Or I think there's a toolbox over there, but... Looks like... Yes, there is. There are people over there.
Konnichiwa.
Oh my goodness. Sir. Sir! My butt cheeks are figuratively clenched at the moment. Where is the... I'm gonna cut this down. It's in the way. And I know this is a place that is very much used. We're passed through. Alright. I need a toolbox. Oh, never mind. This is open. Never mind. No, actually... Okay, toolbox. I'll get a lockpick. I will go up those stairs. And I'll find the next objective, which shall be whatever thing I see next. Alright. Where is... El Gran Papi, ¿dónde está? Doing Gran Papi things. Alright, I'm gonna open this. It's going to be useful. I know this is a place that comes in handy if someone is being chased. Who do we have again? It's a Hans, a Nancy, and then Leatherface. Alright. I hear chicken. Nuggets? What are you up to? He just wanted to say hi. He's feeling social today. Okay. And then I get out of here, because she's probably gonna come this way. Right? Probably. Maybe. Possibly. You, I hear a grunting man. Calm down. I see a chicken. I see a door that can be opened. I see a door that is opened. Oh, there he is. What happened? Why did he not chase me? No, he sees me. I'm gonna, well... Oh, nice! He did not get a single one of my no-cells. I did not sell my no-cells to him. Is this open? Yes, it is. Let's go. Let's get this off the way, someone might need it. At least that one is open. They'll probably be checking it, right? Oh, it's open. Okay. I'm gonna use Valve to distract. Like a professional, like a veteran Texas Chainsaw Massacre player. I have seen the big people use it. People might need this. I need to get rid of this for them. Why is it not letting me? Hello? There we go. Need it to be really close. Alright, there we go. Wait, deactivated the valve exit already. Late night TCM seems Like it's full of people who know what they're doing. Don't worry, I'll get rid of it. Can you cooperate, please? Okay. Nice. Open. Cravatry's open. No nuggets, please. Yes. Lockpick toolbox. Let's get this open. Any nuggets? Wait, how did they open the valve? I have one of the things. Oh, this is open already. Where's the carvatry? Over there. There's one here, I have the other one, and they have another one. I thought there were only two. Oh, I see. She's here. I need to leave. Hello, nuggets. Oh, so she's just camping the carvatry. Oh no. Oh, Virginia. Oh, Virginia. Don't worry, Virginia. I'll get the turned on for you again. Okay. Isn't it about to be opened?
Yeah.
But then the hounds can immediately close it, right? Oh, can we make this? Oh my goodness! What? Guys, we're officially a professional. Just kidding. We're still a baby. I hope you're ready, guys, because I surely am not. But sometimes it's best to do it, regardless of whether you're ready or not. So ready or not, here I come. Hello, sir. It's raining men. Hallelujah, question mark. No toolbox.
Oh my god!
Oh, someone is here. Someone dangerous is here. Dangerousing around.
Yeah.
Where are the toolboxes? Well, if there's none here, I do know there's a spawn over in this area. But I might be killed. I think I could have made it. That's okay. We wait until Grandpappy stops doing his dinosaur yells. Oh, are you kidding me? That was close. I have it at the very limits, my proficiency. See? Just like that. Where it's, it won't hit the top, usually. But sometimes it does. It's a rare occasion, though. I'm gonna get this open for my fellow teammates. Like a teammate. The main door. Do you think they're rushing downstairs to kill us? Close this just in case. Get another lockpick to pick the locks. Have you ever played Skyrim? That's how we do it. Just kidding, this is another type of lockpicking. Don't close this on me. Oh, there he is. Look at him. Someone's coming down to close it. Sir,
Oh my
I am
god!
trying to do things here, please.
Yeah.
Get off me. I will close this. I will latch it because I know they're for sure coming and it did not work. Don't come this way. He left this open. I will close it. I don't make this. I don't make it, do I? Oh, I did. Nice. Generator turned off. Very nice. Let's go that way. Which door was open though? This one? Looks like it.
よし。
Do you think I make it with the low health that I have? Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, Leland. I did not mean to do that. I was panicking. Apologies. Oh. Okay. A toolbox has been spotted. Cute. Toolbox. You can grab one. See, I know that it is nice to let other people get the toolbox. I can get greedy, but I just feel bad if I do that. Morally, I feel bad. I can just go back and grab more, you know?
Yeah!
Or I can unlock something while they are grabbing their picks. Oh, actually I might die. Wait, I'm gonna grab one of these, just in case. Ready to stab people. With 0 effectiveness. But 100% of the intention. Now that I have this, let's head upwards. Vamos arriba a ver qué encontramos. There's usually a nuggets here. Nalgas de pollo. Okay. No nuggets. He's on vacations. He's in Cancun. Someone's been killed, I think. This is my opportunity. Oh shoot, I did not
Oh
know.
my god!
I did not... I still had all of the momentum. It's still highlighted, I hate that. Someone was working on this.
Hello.
Oh, Danny has it. Go, Danny, go. He's using his knowledge. He said knowledge is power. And I shall utilize it. Yes. Very nice. Okay. A nice match.